today's video, I'll show you how to connect Jira to N8N to automate your project management task and boost productivity. Start by opening N8N and heading to the Credentials section. Click Create New and select Jira Software. Enter your Jira site domain, usually something like yourdomain.atlassian.net, and make sure it's accurate. Next, choose your authentication method. The recommended option for Jira Cloud is an API token, which is secure and easy to manage. Alternatively, you can use your username and password, though it's less secure. Enter the details and click Save to securely store your credentials. Finally, test the connection to ensure Jira and N8N are talking properly. Once it works, you can start automating tasks like creating, updating, or managing issues directly through N8N. And that's it. Your Jira account is now connected, opening the door to efficient automated workflows and smoother project management.